guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make a paper squishy. I already made two, so yeah, I'm going to be showing you how to make them. So let's turn to the video. What you'll be needing is paper, anything to make your face with. If you want a face, I'm using pen, a marker, and a pencil. You will be needing scissors and a glue stick. So yeah, the first thing you want to do with your paper is you want to fold it. And it's not that slow rising. I'll go and show you the two squishies I need. So this is the first one. Not that slow rising, but this is my favorite one. Slow rising. So here are the faces I made on both of them. I'm gonna make this face on it. So yeah. And you will be needing anything to stuff your paper with. I'm just using plastic bags. I'm using from Wegmans. You can use paper. You can use paper towels, more paper. Just crumble them up and put them in there. I'm using bags. You see my name? Not my name, but it says H. Okay. So yeah. So the first thing I'm gonna do is fold it. So you want to fold them. So after you folded it, you want to fold one of these sides. So I'm going to fold this. So then after you fold it like that, no. How did I make this one? Yeah. So then you want to fold it, then you want to glue it. Glue it down. So after you glue it down, there's going to be this that you want to glue down too. Okay, so after you glue down that, you would have this. Now you want to glue down this. You want to do this and you want to fold it. So fold it. Okay, so I folded that side and I glued it down and this side. Now I have a big space here. You can put like your hand in it, puppet. But now you want to take your plastic bags. And I already cut this one because I was making these two with plastic bags. Okay, so you want to just cut it up. You're going to cut your plastic bag up and you want to put it inside your paper. And yeah, so when I'm done, well, you just don't want it to be in the way, guys. So there. Okay. So you're gonna just rub it in like that. sorry if you guys can't see my face, really. So I'm going to keep filling it up. Okay. You can use anything, like I said. I'm just using plastic bags. So I think I need to fill all. I'm gonna make space so it can fold. I think we need a little bit more. Okay. Doesn't matter. My thing ripped. Okay. That's how much it is. Yeah, it's supposed to be that much. Okay, it's good. Now you want to glue it down. There we go. Now we got our paper squishy. Slow rising. Now you can draw your face on them. This is how much I have left. I'm going to put it in my craft bin. Okay. Now I'm going to draw the face. And I'm going to draw this face. I drew all of them. I'm going to draw them different. I made all of them different, if you can see. You can see the paper bag. Here's a little different than all of them. The voice are I made. And this one he's made like that. So I'm gonna make your face. So yeah. I'm not gonna make it exactly the same. There's my face. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. I hope you liked my paper squishy. Bye. Peace. I love you so much. Peace.